Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. This one's going to be a bit all over the place because I didn't really have a plan for the day. I was originally just going to go around with the car and try and get some nice aerial views of the car driving around for future videos to use. That in itself was quite difficult because obviously you're driving on public roads and you have to be really careful with traffic and stuff, so I was a little bit cautious doing that. And then we decided let's go up to Crantock because we've never been there before and we thought we'll get some good drone shots. The beach itself was absolutely amazing, but before we actually got to the beach there were two ladies also filming, and I don't know if they were the owners or they just happened to work there, but there's a place called the Bogey Inn or Bogey Inn. I don't know if it is called the Bogey Inn, but either way, she said it would be nice to get some an aerial view of the pub, so I did film a little bit. I did notice, however, there was some construction work going on the outside of it, which obviously takes away some of the beauty of the area, of the pub, I should say. You can see the inn. I couldn't say what the food is like because I've never been in there. I believe they might have been closed for COVID. It didn't look like they was open anyway, unless they were doing like takeaway, but couldn't comment on the food, but it looks like a really, really nice place, and as you'll hopefully see from the video, the area around it is amazing, so whether you're just eating there or sleeping there or whatever, yeah, it looks really, really nice, and the area itself is quite close to Newquay, so quite a popular spot. But yeah, after that we went across to Polyjoke Beach, which is just around the corner, so if you're on Crantock Beach you can follow the coast path along, it's not too far, onto Polyjoke, and it's quite a quiet beach. There's no lifeguards there, which I think for tourists is a big turn off, but for like locals or people like me who like live near enough by, it's quite a nice little quiet beach to visit. So yeah, a bit of a longer intro this one, but I just wanted to say all that, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next one.